Hello my friends, welcome to beautiful Eastern Europe. Just look at this real estate, fantastically beautiful. Okay, here's the park, very old, very old. A lot of people died there, a lot of people buried there. Okay, what else I can show you? Nothing much. There is a little lake over there, and then it's a neighborhood, and these lovely houses. Well, you see these houses, and behind them is the absolutely same houses for another 2 miles. Continue to walk in a beautiful neighborhood. This is a trolley bus, very modern. So look at this house. It's Germans left this shit here. You see, it's really funny because you can see houses like this, for example, that 150 years old, or these houses that very old too. You see, it's very old houses, but it was there. It was here before they built all this beautiful real estate. Okay, friends, now I'm gonna show you Eastern European POV. I forgot something of you. This is, imagine that you're a 12 years old kid, and this is your neighborhood. This is where you're growing, you know. This is a wall, we call it a wall, because it's a wall of fucking houses. So, and if you want to play somewhere, you can play with the garbage, or with the, you know, with the needles, that, like, or with the stray cats. Hello, cat. Another one, there's a lot of them here. Or you can play with the cats, not a bad idea though. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is not my house, but this is the neighborhood when I grow up. So yeah, I just want you to know, you guys, this is how it looks like. This is where all shit happening.